So this is going to be a review of the Coolerworx shifter for the Genesis Coupe. Simply amazing product. I have not had any issues with it at all. It's been simply amazing. So happy I made the switch to it. But so for install, it's 2 10 mils here and then 4 13s. Now to get those 13s in there on the 2010, I'm not sure about the rest of the years, but it is a bit of a process, which I will show you here in just a second. Sorry, I've already got the car jacked up to go underneath there and show you what all needs to be done. But so this is what is in their stock. They are welded to the frame. So they were a pain to get out. So this one is a good example here. So you gotta drill through it and then you gotta break that weld. Big pain in the butt. However, this is the drill bit that I got for that. Did a really good job. Feel like I could have probably gone a size smaller, but did the trick. Shifter's in there, it does not move. So I will crawl underneath the car now and show you the bits and pieces from in there. So here we are underneath the car. Completely eliminates any bushings, which is awesome. Freaking love it. But so this little bracket up here, let me get where you can see it. The main problem with this is these go up into the cabin and the stocks point down. So, but once you get those out, it's pretty much home free from there. You just have to get it in there and then you need to adjust it to the trans. I want to say the size 14. Just went up to Ace and took the shifter up there and got it sized out right, length and everything like that. And then I got a lock nut for the backside over there. I do highly recommend getting this little boot here. It definitely makes a big difference, but keeping the heat out. Installed that yesterday. I recommend doing it when you're doing the shifter. I did it while it was already installed. You just undo this and get it around the bottom here, which is a bit of a pain, but can be done with drive shaft in the way as well. But so back to the shifter itself, completely amazed with the quality. I mean, I just really can't describe how it feels driving it. You need to feel it in the car, and it puts up with the abuse, and it married with the twin disc. Oh man, it's like a match made in heaven. Definitely blown away by the quality of this product. I highly recommend it to anybody on any platform, but definitely those in the Genesis community for sure. So this last part's going to be showing you the play of the shifter. Just a little turbo. And just in case anybody asks, yes, you still can use your shift boot.